Hi there, welcome to BSF's recovery team. Well, we're in the garage again, and the other night we took my new used winch off of this receiver hitch mounting plate that they had it on. Pretty large winch to have on a receiver hitch mounting plate thing that they built. In fact, a little bit too large. If you take a look, you can see the receiver that went into the receiver hitch. It's not quite straight anymore. It's a little bit too big a winch to be mounting that way. So we're going to pitch this. And we got out the tape measure and did a little measuring on our bumper here. And the ox winch, even though it's a front foot mounted winch, just like our large frame Warn winch here, the mounting bolts are a little bit different spacing, and the depth of the mounting plate is not quite deep enough for our Warn winch. So we had to get on the computer and see what was available. And we found a Warn winch mounting plate for the large frame Warn winch that is supposedly universal. So I'm hoping that my modular bumper here, I could take the wings off of this mounting plate and attach them to the universal plate that I got from Warn. Let's go grab that plate and take a look.
Hey honey, look what came for you.
Yeah, this is it.
It's kind of heavy.
Okay. Alright, let's unbox this and take a look. Alright, move the box.
There's instructions.
Instructions?
Yeah.
What do we need them for?
So you put it on right and not backwards.
Okay, well, first thing I want to do a little measuring here. And so 27 and a half. 27 and a half. Oh, I bet you that's going to fit just right. All right. So, we'll start taking it apart.
I want to take it apart.
Okay.
Tell me what tools I need. I'll take it apart.
We need a 3/4 wrench, a 3/4 socket, and an impact. Okay, we got all the bolts out for the center winch plate now. Next thing is we'll take the wires off. We should be able to slide the whole winch plate with the winch and all right out of the center of this modular bumper. Okay, we got the cables disconnected now. We'll pull them through the grill and down out the bottom, and we should be able to pull the winch and the plate off. Alright, feed them down, sweetheart. One.
Hold on. This one's good. Hold on. Did it come through?
Yep.
I know what I'm doing.
There we go. And of course that's a lot easier with an extra set of hands. Now, this winch and plate should slide out.
Oh lordy.
Ready to give me a hand, Jeff?
Sure.
I wonder.
It hits right here.
Yep, it hits right there. I wonder if we can get it out by actually bring it all the way out and then tip it back. There we go.
Yay.
Well, we'll go over here with it. We'll set it down.
I'm gonna clean up your mat. Man, you got a lot of dirt up in here.
Oh, what are you talking about? Dirt? It never goes out in the woods.
No, this goes out in the woods. Triple A, don't leave the pavement.
Oh, that's right. Okay, now for the moment of truth. Is it gonna fit? As you can see, the large frame winch has these extra support brackets on here, which prevents us from sliding it in like we slid the other one out. So what we're going to have to do is take more apart. We're going to have to take the wings off of the truck and assemble it all together and put it on. Well, as you noticed, and like I said, looks like we're going to have to take the rest of the bumper off the truck and assemble the winch plate and the bumper together off of the truck and then put it back on the truck. I also noticed that in order to mount my wings onto this plate, I'm going to have to drill a couple of holes. Since I got to do some drilling to the plate anyway, I dug up some of these clevises that came off H1 from back in my days when I was a H1 mechanic at an H1 dealer. And I thought maybe that would be kind of a nice thing to put on the front of this plate also. Kind of like that. And I also thought that if we do that, we might want to think about reinforcing the mounting a little bit. I noticed our winch plate here has 3 holes for mounting. And if you look over at our bumper here, it only has 2. So we'll probably drill that 3rd one, especially if we're going to have extra pull points on the front in case we have to double the winch cable back through a snatch block and back to the truck again. And of course, if we strengthen it there, we should also strengthen it where it mounts onto the truck. I see there's another 1/2 inch hole on each side of the frame that we can drill through the bumper and put another 1/2 inch bolt in on each side. So we'll be doing that also. Now for the big question. Since our new mounting plate is black and our bumper is white, what do you think I should do? Should I keep everything white or should I paint everything black? I'm kind of thinking of sticking with the white. It's growing on me. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Join us next time where we have the bumper off and we'll assemble everything and show you how to mount the winch. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. Keep wheeling, stay safe, and maybe we'll see you out there in the woods.